Okay, so here we go. This is about day 5 of me actually flying my drone. I've had it since Christmas, but I really didn't start flying it right away because I wanted to be prepared. I wanted to have read the instructions and to have the time to focus on learning how to use it. You can see the one horse gets a little bit afraid, so this is affording me the opportunity to both practice with my drone and learn more about my own horse's behavior. I would have thought that Stormy, the one with the colorful white legs, would have been more afraid because normally she is very afraid, but although she showed a little bit of nervousness, it seems like Dolly, the calm one, really had an influence on keeping her rather calm. So here they are moving away from me as I approach them, and that's okay. That's to be expected. That's what herds do, you know, as people and things that they don't recognize approach, they move away. But I really thought that Stormy, that one looking right at the drone, would have been moving away more quickly than she did. So I'm very proud of her. And there she turns around to move away. But really, that, even though she acted a little nervous there, that's really nothing in comparison to how I've seen her act. So today I still did not use active track mode. I did take it out of beginner mode. I did not use follow me mode because I had an accident with a tree yesterday. But what I did do was learn how to use the gimbal adjustment, and that is the wheel on the front of the left side of the controller. One of the two adjustable wheels, one is on the left and one is on the right. The left one, if you move it left or right, what it does is it repositions the screen so that you can actually make sure that whatever you're filming is in the center of the frame. Now, one problem I have is, I don't know if anybody else has experienced this, but I'm not able to see my phone screen very well out in the daylight, and this was even a cloudy day. So I'm going to have to figure out if there's a way to make my phone screen brighter besides my own phone controls, because using my own phone controls, I put it on as bright as it would go. And this video I've set a little bit brighter, but that has nothing to do with what I was seeing on my screen. So here they actually did. I got real close, and in a couple seconds they run away from me, but still not really upset. All they're doing is just moving out away from the drone. And there they go. Now I had repositioned the drone, so I wasn't able to catch it on camera because I was looking at myself. But here I'm just moving over with the right joystick and pushing it to the left to move the drone to the left to avoid that tree, and I start approaching them again, and this time they don't really run from me. So I could see that it really, being out there, they got more and more comfortable with it. And something really funny happens here. Dolly is the black horse that doesn't have white legs, and she's very curious, and also she's very interested in anything that she can eat. And so in just a minute, what you'll see is she will actually come over and begin to approach my camera bag, and Stormy follows, even though the drone is almost right overhead at this point. So there's a really cool shot. And Dolly's now checking it out, the very thing that she was a little bit afraid of yesterday. She met the drone yesterday. I had her out in the arena, and I did some filming from Horseback. And there she's licking the bag. She already tipped my coffee over earlier. If you like this, go ahead and subscribe. Like the video and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be posting both training and trail riding, so you can take your pick, and it'll be real interesting. Subscribe and like, and thank you for watching my Mavic Pro drone flight, 5th day, horsing around.